Hello and welcome back, Backpack, to Raymond's Originals. And today, I had a nice day off and I didn't need to go to work. No, I need to do it again. That's right. We begin with no turning back. Backpack. Yeah, today was a nice day off. A very chill morning that my girlfriend and I spent. She made me some delicious breakfast. Way to go, you saved enough electrons to repair the path and reach a new world at last. I think it's always the same sentence, isn't it? And besides my girlfriend and I spending some more time, we got we went out in nature. First off, we spent the morning with some nice breakfast made by her. As I said already, my oh my. I hope this is enough. No, it's not. I think I will need to go again. Well, no, 150 it counted. That should be enough. 175. And I can't skip this. Okay, so one more try. I need to get at least 175, so we try real quick. So yeah. Dude, this is annoying. Come on. We spent some lovely time together. Ate some wonderful breakfast together. We're outside eating the breakfast she made for us. We did that outside. In her front yard, basically. And nice. Now I need to do the whole thing again, even though I made it. How do I keep on managing that? And then we pretty much went outside to get her bunnies some fresh greens from the outside. It's a new hobby that she discovered by herself when I was off to work the other day. And we basically picked out some greens that they were able to eat without any issues. And she showed me, I need to restart either way. And she showed me one of her old towns where she used to live. And it was quite a beautiful neighborhood where we went for a walk, I gotta admit that. Besides that, for some reason, right now I have the most fun I ever had with my car. And I'm very appreciative of how well it's running. Exactly 200, nice. And we got the medallion. At least it was actually worth it to restart. Good, we got the electrons and the medallion. Should be right on 200, wasn't it? Or was it more? No, we got it. And yeah. Besides that, it was a day off. We slept in. I never like stress myself on having to wake up early. Only work is the only thing pretty much rushing me in every aspect of my life. Because, in my opinion, there's no reason to rush. I know I want things to turn better and get better. Check it out, new character unlocked in the Snoring Tree. But you gotta learn to be patient as well in your life, you know? Let's check out the character. Who we got? That princess. But who do we get next after we get the princess? That would be more interesting. Yeah, she's not so interesting. Another one of her fellas. Yeah, he looks cool, like a magician or something. Maybe the apprentice of the one with the cylinder. But yeah, I hope this flying section will go nicely again. Not the best at those. Nice pose. That rhymed. But what are those, perhaps? Nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, as I said, I'm somehow much more appreciative. Oh no. I'm somehow much more appreciative for my car working nicely and properly than I was before. And it's just very nice to see, I gotta admit. That's what I mean, like, how am I? Come on, and how am I not hitting both rolls? Yes, that's what I meant. How did I not? Okay, nice, somehow it worked. Okay, nice. Ah, man. Oh, I see. I see, that's interesting. That is quite interesting. Oh my goodness. I have to spam like extremely fast and badly. That's how it always feels like, to be honest. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, the wasps. Oh yeah, I remember that. I remember that. I remember that. This is gonna be something in a later world as well, I think. But without those flying sections. And all I can suggest, to be honest, is spend some time outside even though you don't want to, like, and try out things that other people enjoy. That's always the thing I can suggest. You don't have to enjoy it specifically, but you could at least try it out. It doesn't have to be a great idea, like, for some reason I am extremely lazy and I let myself be extremely lazy. And I just enjoy being quite the lazy bum, to be honest. And besides that, I rarely go outside, which is another thing. Which I should change, which would be much better for my health and my life in general. But the good thing is, my girlfriend helped me out quite well. Oh, we see the next world! We are at the ice world, eh? At the gourmet section of the world, eh? Yes! Love that! It's a very cool world and it will show us a new nice mechanic that I like a lot. Oh my. Oh my, almost was gone there, and I'm gone. Oh, it was so close. It was so close as well. My goodness, this is annoying, isn't it? Yes, it is. In my opinion, it totally is. But besides that, another thing I can suggest is try out things if you don't know what to do with your life, or where to go with yourself, where to continue, where to head. Whatever it might be. Oh yeah, those red ones. And the delicious lime. And the watermelon opening up. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And all I can add to the end, oh, only 2 missing. All I can add to the end is touch some grass, you won't regret it. Go for a walk. Talk to somebody. Do a form of art. To express yourself. To use your brain. And to just find out more about life, learn more about yourself and about the possibilities of what you can do in life, basically. Oh, it was such a big bridge, I didn't remember this gap being so huge. Let's see what the next character after that one will be. I think the last character is another Rayman character. I don't think one of these will be another Rayman. Yeah, that's what I mean. And yeah. In the next video we're gonna check out the new world. I don't know actually what ability I will get in this world. But this is some nice relaxing music, I gotta admit. But with that being said, do what you love, do what you can. Thank you for all the love and support. Thank you for every comment, like, and new subscriber. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Just me expressing myself, playing video games, and doing what I love. Talk about my mind, some silly things, or just about my gameplay or things that sometimes don't even make sense. But with that being said, enjoy the rest of your day, have a wonderful and amazing day. And my girlfriend and I are going to watch Ratatouille, which is a pretty nice movie in my opinion, and I haven't seen it in a long time, neither has she. So I'm pretty excited, and I think it's gonna be a nice, relaxing night for the both of us. I hope yours will be also quite fun, relaxing, whatever you want it to be. But until then, when we will pursue the polar.